Hello, welcome to Uncle Al's Barbecue. Today's question is, what are you putting on your smoker this weekend? Well, it looks like I'm going to have a full plate and a full smoker. So let's just get down to it. I'm going to be putting me on some of these Country Boys smoked beef sausage. This is just really good flavor for me, what I like. We're going to be smoking those. And we're going to do us a rack of baby backs. I'm going to try and do the old 3-2-1 method. And yes, I picked me up some more of Mr. Malcolm's rub. Now, I really thought about doing the TNT mop sauce. Them TNT barbecue, if you ain't heard of them or you ain't seen any of their videos, you need to check it out. Because anybody that can cook 400 pounds of meat daily basis and everything else, I think they kind of know what they're talking about. And last but not least, we got us a brisket today. And here we go. USDA Choice, Certified Angus. And what I'm going to do after I make this video, just to tease you, maybe get your mouth watering already. Actually, that brisket don't look too bad the way it is. So maybe that trim will go easy. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a trim. Now, I got a little challenge today. I live down here in Texas. Everybody heard of Mr. Franklin? Mr. Franklin. All right. My sister and brother-in-law went down to Austin earlier this week and ate his brisket down there. And they brought me back his rub. And they brought me back also his barbecue sauce. Now, who puts that on there? Anyway. So I got my challenges today. I like to do it traditional style, the way I do it. And I add a little bit of the head country. I couldn't get the seasonings I want this weekend. So, anyway, I got a decision to make on, do I try and mimic Mr. Franklin and go head up against him and just heavy salt and pepper bark it? Or do I kind of do what I normally do without my normal seasonings? I have never tried this one before. Lone Star Brisket from the Pit Boss. And basically, all these things is some paprika added into the salt and pepper, which that's all this is. And, I don't know. I wish I could tell you guys, or have you guys hit up a chat or something, but nothing seems to work. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with Mr. Franklin's rub. And I'm going to slap down me a little bit of garlic powder. That's right. And then I'll just finish it off with a dusting of the leftover head country. I'm almost out of that. With the light dusting of this, kind of hybrid them. And we'll let it roll. So anyway, that's my teaser today. I'll take a picture of that smoker later on when it's all loaded up and everything's looking good and we're getting these ribs to render down and everything. Man, those are some small ribs. I'll tell you, man, it's kind of hard to find stuff nowadays. I've never had any problems with Smithfield. I've never had any issues with them. You want to talk about some baby backs? That's a good brand for me in my region where I am. So, I guess that's it. I just wanted to show you what I'm making today at Uncle Al's Barbecue. And then I'll show you how I trim this up. I'll season it and everything. And we'll get that wood box going. I can't wait. Y'all have a great weekend.